Hey guys, so today I've got the new lip mask from TATCHA, and I actually picked it up. It was at a Sephora inside JCPenney. I found it about a month ago maybe, and I knew it was not a new product because I think it was available on QVC for a while, but it's new to Sephora and it was like their big app exclusive on Tuesday. And thank you, Carrie, for the beautiful necklace. I was really happy with it. It matches my earrings that I wear like every day perfect. Anyway. So, I just want to thank her again. So cool. Anyway, on to the lip mask. I really like it. So, I've tried a lot of lip products in the past. I've tried all the masks. I've got all the Laneige ones. I don't know, on my countertop, there's probably like 10 more that I've been using off and on. But none of them are actually like right around here. But anyway, they're somewhere in this mess. So, I promise you. Okay. Actually, the one I've been using a lot lately is the Skin Iceland one, which isn't really a lip balm, but I do like it. So, on to the TATCHA one. It's got some interesting ingredients in it. It does have fragrance in it, but it's like the last ingredient. There is a citrus ingredient in there, but you don't notice the fragrance at all. It almost really has not a noticeable scent or taste to it at all, which is nice. So, and it's got some good peptides in there, some good hydrating ingredients, and I really like it. They sent you a little spatula, which was nice. Because that's why I don't use my lip balms as often as I should, because they don't have a spatula, and then my face is covered, my hands are, slimy. So anyway, so I'm kind of picking one little corner just to dig into on this. And so you just take the little spatula, and what I do is I just apply it directly to my lips, especially like at night. And I really like it. I just can't believe there's fragrance in there at all, because it's not noticeable. So anyway, but it's really pretty. So that's why I just decided to dig into one part of it continually instead of like destroying the whole beauty of the rest of it. So the clear jar packaging, not always a fan of, because there are some good beneficial ingredients and hydrating ingredients in here, but overall, how else are you going to package a lip balm like TATCHA does? So anyway, so really hydrating, good ingredients, a little bit of fragrance, no denatured drying types of alcohol. It is kind of expensive. But for a lip mask, this little jar, I bet could last anyone probably a year or even longer. So I've got so many other ones to try, so I don't know what to do. I don't know how to finish them all. Although I'll probably set this on my nightstand, and then in the middle of the night, I'll continue to apply. Some lip products just don't feel as hydrating. They almost are like too waxy. You apply them, and then they just don't soak in. This one doesn't have that problem, so I'll apply it right before bed, and then in the middle of the night, my lips are still hydrated. So a lot of the other ones kind of either wash off or kind of just slip off during the night. This one doesn't. It's pretty hydrating. So loving it, very happy about it. If you're thinking about picking up, it's probably my favorite TATCHA lip product, which there's only their other lip balm, the Gold Spun lip balm. This one's way better in my opinion. So, although I have to try the TATCHA lipsticks. They were on clearance at Barney's for a while, and I think I probably missed my chance because I kept getting greedy and wanting the discount to go down more at Barney's because they're closing. So, anyway, so I just wanted to get a quick review of this. I have no makeup on because it's Christmas. I took the day off, kind of. So, anyway, I hope you guys had a great Christmas day, a good holiday, and I'll definitely be doing more new reviews because so many new fun things are coming out, especially today and then the 1st. So anyway, stay tuned for a lot more fun videos. So thank you guys so much. Oh, if you've tried it, leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.